Hey guys, my name's Pat from PowerX, and today we're going to be reviewing our 10-ton 6-inch stroke toe jack. Today I want to talk a little bit about one of our featured products, which is a 10-ton 6-inch stroke toe jack that we sell to customers all the time. And the reason why customers love it is because of the fact that you can get it in tight spots for lifting machinery up. Let's say a lot of customers that are in machine shops that may have a CNC machine, or they may have a heavy press that they can't get a forklift in by the machine to lift it up for whatever reason. They can bring in, let's say, 4 toe jacks, and they can lift the machine up and do whatever they need to do if it's a maintenance reason or if it's potentially moving the machine itself. A couple of the benefits of this toe jack: it has a 360-degree handle holder, so in case you want to move your handle a little bit to in a tight spot, or you have to maneuver your handle a little bit, you can do so. In order to operate it, you stick your handle in and you just jack it up, just like so, and you could see the toe jack moving up. And like I say, if you've got 4 of these, it's real simple to pick up a machine. Another thing that's real beneficial is the safety purposes of this type of product. It allows one person to go in and effortlessly pick up a machine. You don't stick your fingers anywhere. You're not really even close to the machine, so that way, if something does happen, you're not going to get hurt. And that's probably the number one benefit of this particular product. Something else you might not know is our warranty, and which is a huge benefit for this product. There's a lifetime manufacturer warranty on any manufacturer defect for this product. So if anything goes wrong in the lifetime that you have it, you can get a hold of PowerX and we can replace it free of charge. So if you need to get a hold of us for any product questions or you have any other inquiries, please call PowerX at 414-988-6202 or look us up on the web at powerxinternational.com.